Okay.
She just takes that dog, but she never takes more than 10 or 15 minutes. It's almost an hour now. It's over an hour now.
Okay, do you know what breed the dog is?
The dog's just he's just a 100-pound dog.
Okay. There's the dog. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Where's your mama? Hi. Hi, where's your mama? Where's your mommy? Hold on. Hold on, where's your mama? Tell me where your mama is. Show me. Ma'am? I've got you, ma'am. 322, I've located her. Oh, hey, ma'am, can you tell me what happened? Oh, can you tell me what happened? Are you okay? Oh, she's laying here on the sidewalk, alert and conscious, but she may have injured herself.
Where were you when I found you?
I was in front of that house right there. And then the dog ran up to me. I was right out here.
And the dog brought you.
Mm-hmm.
He wouldn't leave. He kept coming back to me.
Mm-hmm. He ran up to my car and I said, bring me to your mommy, and he ran back here.
He come up to your car.
Mm-hmm. Good boy.
Oh, sweetheart.
Good boy. Very good boy.
I'm not even his owner. I'm his grandmother.
Oh, you're such a good boy. You're so good. You're so good.
Oh, Eeyore, you're a good boy. Grandma loves you.
Good boy, Eeyore.
Have footage or a story the world should see? Share it with us. Have a tip or insight? Drop it in the comments. Every detail matters.